Good morning, children. We will learn about the heterotrophic nutrition in plants in today's class. Till now, we have learned that plants exhibit two types of nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. The green plants are called autotrophs as they make their own food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Such type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. The type of nutrition in which an organism depends on other organisms to fulfill its nutritional requirement is called heterotrophic nutrition. As animals cannot make their food, they depend on plants or other animals for food. Similarly, there are certain plants which cannot make their food and hence depend on other plants for food and are called heterotrophs. The parasitic plants exhibit heterotrophic nutrition. There are certain plants which do not have chlorophyll in them, hence they cannot make their food. These plants grow on other plants. They have special roots called hosteria, which penetrate into the tissues of the plant on which they are growing. This plant is called as the host plant. On which the parasitic plant is growing, that plant is called as the host plant. And this parasitic plant will now absorb food materials from the host plant. They deprive the host plants of all the nutrients. Example of such a parasitic plant is cuscuta. Have you seen yellow thread-like structures twining around the stem, branches and leaves of some trees? This thread-like plant is cuscuta. It neither has leaves nor chlorophyll. So that means it cannot make its own food. It depends on the plant on which it is growing. It will take the food from the plant on which it is climbing. The next type of heterotrophic nutrition is exhibited by saprophytes. Plants that grow on dead and decaying matter are called saprophytes. Like parasitic plants, these plants too don't have chlorophyll and hence cannot make their own food. They release digestive juices on the matter it lives and converts it into solution and absorbs it. Such type of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. Example of such plants are mushrooms and fungi. Mushroom is a saprophyte. It grows on decaying matter. As you can see here, the mushroom is not having chlorophyll, hence it is not in green color and hence cannot make its food. It is growing on dead and decaying matter. Yes, we eat mushroom, but the mushroom we eat is specially cultivated and is edible. But the mushrooms that we find growing here and there, especially after rainy season, are not useful for eating because they may be poisonous. Okay? The next is fungi. We find fungi. It grows on many things, especially bread, if we keep it for a long time. This fungi also releases digestive juices on the substratum on which it is growing, and then it sucks that liquid form of food. Hence, it is also an saprophyte. There is a difference between a saprophyte and parasite. Parasite was growing on a living plant and depriving it of all the nutrients, whereas a saprophyte grows on dead and decaying matter. Okay, children, did you understand the difference between saprophyte and a parasite? Yes. So, next part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.